Hi, boys and girls, and welcome to STEAM Experiments with Miss Catherine. I am so excited to be with y'all this afternoon, and I hope you are too. Today's experiment is called the M&M Rainbow. We are going to see if we can make a rainbow out of M&Ms. But before we get started, I'd like to do a flannel story with y'all. So, take an apple and you put it in the pot and you stir and you stir and you stir it a lot. And you take it out and what do you get? The prettiest red you ever did see. Alright, now you take an orange and you put it in the pot and you stir and you stir and you stir it a lot. And then you take it out and what do you get? The prettiest orange you ever did see. And then you take a yellow and you put it in the pot and you stir and you stir and you stir it a lot. And then you take it out and what do you get? The prettiest yellow you ever did see. And then you take a pear and you put it in the pot and you stir it and you stir and you stir it a lot. And then you take it out and what do you get? The prettiest green you ever did see. Then you take some berries and you put it in the pot and you stir and you stir and you stir it a lot. And then you take it out and what do you get? The prettiest blue you ever did see. And then you take some grapes and you put it in the pot and you stir and you stir and you stir it a lot. And then you take it out and what do you get? The prettiest purple you ever did see. So, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. What do you get? The prettiest rainbow you ever did see. Okay, now that we have done a rainbow flannel, who's ready to make their own rainbow? Let's go. All right, boys and girls, so for today's experiment, we are going to need M&Ms. We're also going to need a plate, preferably not a plastic plate or a paper plate, just, kind of like a hard plate that you might find up in your cabinet. Also, we're going to need some water. So, the colors of the M&Ms that I have are red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. So first, we have to take each of the M&Ms out one by one and place them around the plate. So I'm going to start with my red. Then I'm going to do orange, and then yellow, green, and then blue. And so that will be my pattern. And you just keep with the same pattern around the outside of your plate. All right. So now, as you can see, you just keep going. And as you all work on putting the rest of your M&Ms all along your plate, I'm going to grab mine that I've already finished. All right. So, as you can see, all of your M&Ms should be on the outside of your plate. Now, next thing we're going to do is we're going to add some water. Now, let's see what happens. But first, you're only supposed to add just a little bit of water. You don't want to do too much because then it might make all the M&Ms slide. So you're just going to do just a little bit so that the water touches each of the M&Ms. Make sure you do it very slowly. All right, boys and girls. So, what do we think is going to happen next? Do you think we're actually going to make a rainbow? Or do you think all the M&Ms are just going to melt? I don't know, but I'm starting to see something. Can you see it? Yeah, I can see the different colors starting to move together to form a rainbow. So, you might ask, what is the science behind the M&M rainbow? Well, the hard shell of the M&M is made with water-soluble colors. And when the water touches the M&Ms, the colors begin to dissolve off of the M&Ms and run into the water. Because of the shape of the plate and the position of the M&Ms, the colors have nowhere to go except into the middle of the plate, forming a beautiful rainbow as it does right now. So, there you have it, boys and girls. You've each created a beautiful rainbow out of M&Ms and water. How cool is that? Well, I sure hope you enjoyed this science experiment today, because I know I have. And I sure hope that you all have a great rest of your day, and I hope I get to see you real soon. Bye!